So recently, I've been making a lot of videos on prop firms on this YouTube channel, most especially crypto prop firms. And from the feedback I've been getting from all of these videos I've made recently, I've come to realize that so many of you don't understand how prop firms work. Now, some people don't even know that we have crypto prop firms. Some people actually think that we only have prop firms in the Forex industry. No, we also have crypto prop firms. Well, that is why I'm making this video to explain everything you need to know about crypto prop firms and how they work. Because if you don't understand how they actually work, then it means that you won't even understand anything from my prop firm video. So I advise you to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And by the end of this video, you will definitely understand what crypto firm trading is, how it actually works, how you can actually get paid, and how to pick the right prop firm, and definitely how to avoid getting scammed. So with all of this being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so what is a prop firm? Now, in simple terms, a prop firm, which is actually short for proprietary trading firm, is a company that gives traders money to trade. That is it. That is the simple version of what a prop firm is. Now, if you're using a prop firm, you don't use your own capital, you only use the capital provided by the prop firm. And then in return, you actually share a percentage of the profit you make with that account. Now, why would a company actually do that? Why would a company actually give you capital to trade? Now, it is simple. Now, a prop firm only makes money when you make money. And they also make money actually when you lose your account. So they make money in two ways, but basically they also make money when you make money. Now, think of it like this. Now, let's say, for example, you are a really good footballer. Now, I want to explain what a prop firm is in another way so that you can understand better. Now, like I said, imagine you are a really good footballer, but you don't have football boots, you don't have maybe a good football pitch, you don't even have a team. And then let's say a club spots your talent and they say, okay, come and play for us, we'll give you everything you need, we'll give you the football boots, everything you need, and then when you win, we split the prize money. So that's basically what a prop firm does for traders. So instead of you saving up to maybe 500,000 naira, 1 million naira, even $1,000 to trade with your own personal money, a prop firm gives you capital like $10,000, $50,000, or even $200,000 account. And then you trade it, you make profit, and you get paid. So that is what a prop firm is all about. Now, if you understand what a prop firm is from this short explanation I've just given you, please let me know in the comment section of this video. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is how it actually works in practice. That is, how does prop firm trading work? So now you understand what a prop firm is. Now, how does it actually work in practice? So I'm going to give you a basic flow. Now, the first thing you do is basically to sign up with a crypto prop firm of your own choice. Now, once you sign up and you want to get an account, you have to pay a one-time fee to access what is called a challenge or an evaluation. Now, this fee that you pay is actually between, let's say, $20, $50 to a few $100, depending on the account size you are getting from that prop firm. And then once you get this account, you can now go ahead to trade a demo account to pass the challenge and to prove that you can actually trade profitably without blowing the account. And this challenge can also be in one phase or in two phases, depending on the prop firm you are using. And also, if you pass this challenge, you get funded, which means that you get access to real capital to trade. Now, once you get access to capital to trade on the funded account, you now go ahead to make profit, and then the prop firm pays you your own share from that profit. Now, there's something important that I want to clear about this prop firm trading, especially from the comments I've been getting from most of my videos I've been making. Now, you see, in most crypto prop firms, you are not trading a live account. You're only trading a demo account. You're not trading real money. It is just a demo account. It is when you now get funded and you now make profits. Now, those profits you are making, they're actually real money that you can withdraw. So the payout you are getting is real, but the account you are trading is just a demo account. Please, I just want to clear that so that you can understand it. It is when you now get to the funded stage and you make profit. That profit you get, like I said, is what you can now withdraw. That is your payout. I hope that is clear. Now, I just want to clear that because I've been getting comments like that or questions like that from my previous videos. So now I've explained what a prop firm is all about. I've explained how it works. Now let's break down the evaluation process and how you can actually get funded, because this is where most beginners actually get confused. Now you see, when you buy a challenge from a prop firm, you are given a set of rules that you must follow and a profit target that you must meet. Now I'm going to show you an example with iRoadTrader prop firm so that you can see the rules and the target that you are given. I will just be using this as an example. The rules and targets you get from different prop firms differ, so I will only be using this one as an example. So right here in front of me is my iPad, and this is the home page of the iRoadTrader prop firm website. Now if you scroll up, if you come here to where you have the rules. Now like I said earlier, when you get a prop firm challenge, you are given rules and targets that you must meet. So on iRoadTrader prop firm, you have one-step account and you have two-step account. So one-step account means that you only need to pass one phase. Once you pass that phase, you go straight to the funded stage. If you are using two-step account, it means that you only need to pass two phases. You pass phase 1. Once you pass phase 1, you go to phase 2. Once you pass phase 2, then you go to the funded stage. Now the difference is that for one-step account, they are always expensive, or they are more expensive than two-step account. That's another thing you need to take note of. And another difference is that for two-step account, they are always easier to pass than one-step account right there. So you need to take note of that. But let's say, for example, you want to use two-step account or two-step challenge. Here are the rules that you are given. So they give you a trading period. For trading period, it is unlimited, which means that you can trade for as long as you want. Now the next one is minimum trading days. Minimum trading days means that for this first step, you must trade for at least 10 days. For the second step, you must trade for at least 5 days. Now the next rule is the stop loss obligation, which is yes, yes, yes. Now what this means is that you must set stop loss for all your trades. Now this is only on iRoadTrader. On some other prop firms, it is not compulsory. So for example, on prop firms like Breakout and Crypto Fund Trader, I know it is not compulsory to set stop loss. But you can see right here, for iRoadTrader, it is compulsory. So this is why you need to actually go through the rules for any prop firm account you are using. Now the next one is where you have daily drawdown. For daily drawdown right here, it is 5%, which means that you must not lose more than 5% of that account in one day. And then the maximum loss is 10%. It means that you must not lose more than 10% of that account overall. Once you lose more than 10%, you lose the account. And then you have the profit target, which is 10% for the first phase and then 5% for the second phase right there. So for the first phase, you must meet 10% profit of that capital you get. And then once you do that, you go to the next phase. And then on the second phase, you must have 5% profit to go to the funded stage. So it's when you now get to the funded stage that you can now start making profit. I hope you get it. So these are the rules for iRoadTrader. This is just like an example. And these rules can differ based on the prop firm you are using. So on Crypto Fund Trader, it is different. On Breakout prop firm, it is different, and so many other crypto prop firms out there. So again, you must always make sure that you go through these rules and the target before you actually go ahead to get this prop firm. So in summary, always make sure that you check the rules of any prop firm you are using before you go ahead to buy it. And once you get the account and you hit the target and you stay within the rules, then you go ahead to pass it and you get to the funded stage. It is simple as that, but it requires real discipline. So now that we've talked about the rules and the targets you need to check out on any prop firm you are using, the next part I want to talk about is the money part. Now you see, when you get funded on any prop firm, you have to trade the prop firm's capital, and then when you are profitable, you get a cut or a share of those profit that you make. So that is what is called profit split. That's basically what it means. And most crypto prop firms out there, they offer profit split starting from about 70-30 or 80-20 in your favor, and some even go as high as 90-10. So what that means is that, let's say for example, you are using a prop firm that gives 70-30 profit split. What that means is that you take 70% of whatever profit you make at the funded stage, and then the prop firm takes 30%. And if it's 80-20 profit split, it means that you take 80% of whatever profit you make at the funded stage, and the prop firm takes 20%. So let's say for example, you get a 100K challenge account and you get funded, and let's say for example, you make let's say $5,000 profit on that account. Now if you are using a prop firm that is giving 80-20 profit split, it means that you take 80% of that profit, which is $4,000, and then the prop firm takes the remaining $1,000. I hope you get it. Now another thing that you need to know when it comes to payout on prop firms is that some prop firms actually allow you to withdraw your money only only after 15 days. For some, is only after 30 days. It can go as high as 45 days for some prop firms. Now, the only crypto prop firm that I know that allows you to withdraw your money every day or that allows daily payout is Breakout Prop Firm. So on Breakout Prop Firm, they allow you to withdraw your money any day, anytime. Now let's talk about some of the top crypto prop firms that we have out there right now, because there are quite different prop firms out there and they are not all the same. So here are some of the major crypto prop firms I've talked about on this YouTube channel. Now the first one is Breakout Prop Firm. Now you see, this one is one of my top recommendations. They have the easiest rules. If you watch my video about Breakout Prop Firm, you will know that they have the easiest rules when it comes to crypto prop firms. They are also crypto focused. That means that you can only trade crypto on their platform. So if you're a crypto trader, then this one is good for you. And like I said earlier, they allow daily payouts. And if you want to try them out, you can also use my discount code FEMI. I'll put it on the screen to get a discount for yourself. And I'll also put the link in the description below. So that's the first one. Now the second prop firm is Bright Funded. Now this one is another strong option for crypto traders, and they also have a good reputation in the crypto community. They have reasonable drawdown rules and they also have good profit split. I think when it comes to profit split, they are one of the best too. So that's the second one. The third one is Crypto Fund Trader. You see, this one is another legit prop firm in the crypto space. This was actually the first crypto prop firm I ever tried out, and this was like some years ago, and it opened my entry into the prop firm industry. And I also have like a dedicated video about the review of Crypto Fund Trader. In case you want to check it out or you want to watch the video, I'll put it in the description below. I'll also put the link to also get an account with them in the description below. Now another one, which is number 4, is iRoad Trader. You see, iRoad Trader was actually the second prop firm I tried after Crypto Fund Trader, and iRoad Trader is really good, and they are one of the best rules and the best deals in the crypto prop firm industry. And I have made so many videos about iRoad Trader prop firm on my YouTube channel, and just in case maybe you want to try them out, you can actually get 10% discount on any account you get on iRoad Trader prop firm if you use FEMI10 as your promo code. I'll put it right here on the screen. Just use FEMI10 as your promo code and you get 10% discount. I'll also put the link to get it in the description below. So these are my top crypto prop firms as at the time of making this video, and right now new crypto prop firms are launching every day, but these are just the ones I've tried out myself, and that is why I can only speak for them. But as I try out more crypto prop firms out there, I will definitely let you guys know on this YouTube channel. So make sure you actually subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell on the channel. So now that I've just mentioned to you some of the top crypto prop firms we have out there, and with so many options, how do you now choose the best prop firm for you? So here's what I personally look at when I'm evaluating a prop firm. Now the first one is the flexibility of the rules. Now, does the prop firm allow the way you trade? Do they allow news trading? Can you be able to hold trades overnight? Can you swing trades? You need to check for all of these things and then match the rules to your own trading style, not the other way around. So let me explain what I mean by this. So let's say, for example, you are the kind of trader who does news trading. That means that you need to make sure you don't use a prop firm that is against news trading, because there are different prop firms that are against news trading. Or let's say, for example, you are the kind of trader who leaves trades for multiple days, then you need to avoid prop firms that are against that. So again, ensure that the prop firm you use is not against your style of trading. Now, the second thing I always watch out for is the profit split percentage. Now, you see, personally for me, anything below 70% in your favor is not good. Or better still, just look for prop firms that will give you 80% and above in your profit split. Now, the third thing to look out for is payout reputation. Now, you see, this one is big. You need to check if the prop firm has actually been paying its traders. You can check for YouTube reviews, you can check on Twitter, you can check on Reddit, and don't just fall for all of these random marketing screenshots you see on Instagram or YouTube or Twitter or even TikTok. Now, another thing you need to look out for is the challenge fee versus the account size. You need to check what is the ratio. So for example, a $200 fee for maybe a $10,000 account is different from a $200 fee for a $5,000 account. What you need to look out for is the value you are getting from that account. So for example, before I pick an account on any prop firm, I always compare the account across different prop firms to see which one is best for me. And don't always think that that because a prop firm account is cheap, then it is better for you. That is not always true. So please always be careful. Now, another thing to look out for is the support and the community. Does the firm have responsive customer support? Do they have an active Discord community? And when something goes wrong, will you be able to reach out to someone? All of these things are very, very important. Now, another thing you need to check out for is the track record of that prop firm. You need to check how long they have been operating, because a firm that has been around for like 3-4 years is more credible than the one that was just launched like a month ago or 2 months ago. So don't just go with whatever is trending or whatever you saw on maybe one YouTube ad or on Instagram. Always do your research, and I'll make it easier for you because I've done so many videos on this YouTube channel covering the top crypto prop firms out there. And like I said earlier, I'll put the links to these videos in the description below, or just feel free to ask me for any prop firm video you want. I'll reply to your comments with a link to that video. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is how to avoid prop firm scams. Now, you see, this section is actually important because as the prop firm space is growing, so many scams are also growing with it. And I don't want you to fall for any scam. I don't want you to lose your money to any prop firm out there. So I'm going to be talking about the red flags you need to watch out for when you are picking a prop firm. Now, the first one is that they make it impossible for you to withdraw your money. You see, this one is the biggest one. You see, if traders are complaining about withdrawal issues, maybe delayed payment, excuses, or maybe there's a sudden rule change, maybe before you make your payout, then you need to run. Don't walk, run away from that prop firm. Another red flag you need to check out for is no verifiable track record. You see, if you can't find any YouTube video or review or maybe any community discussion about any prop firm, then that is a big problem. Don't use that prop firm at all. Now, the next thing you need to watch out for is unrealistic profit target or profit split. Now, you see, if a prop firm is promising you 95% profit split and maybe a tiny drawdown limit, then to be very honest, they are just trying to attract you with that 95% profit split. Don't fall for it. And lastly, another one you need to watch out for is when they don't have clear terms and conditions. Now, you see, if the rules of a particular prop firm are confusing, or maybe they are written in such a way that it gives the prop firm every reason to disqualify you, then you need to be very, very careful, because legit prop firms out there, they always have clear and fair rules for their trading conditions. And personally for me, my rule of thumb is that if you haven't seen at least 3 different reviews about a prop firm, then please don't buy that prop firm. That is my own rule of thumb. It is simple. So ensure you always check out for all of these things before picking a prop firm to buy or the one you want to use. Now, you know I'm going to give you my own honest opinion right here, and that is what this YouTube channel is all about. Now, to be honest, yes, crypto prop trading is actually worth it, but only if you are already a profitable trader. Let me say that again. Only if you are already a profitable crypto trader. Now, one thing a lot of people don't know is that prop firms are not trading schools. They are not going to teach you how to trade. If you don't have a strategy, if you don't have good risk management, if you are still gambling in the market, then a prop firm challenge will only just take your money. You will lose your money faster. But if you already have a proven strategy, then prop firms are one of the best opportunities available for you right now. Because where else can someone get access to like 50K or even 100K trading accounts? To be very honest, nowhere. So this is genuinely life-changing for traders who are already profitable. And when I say traders who are already profitable, here's what I mean. I mean traders who can actually trade with $10, $20, $50 of their own money and still come out profitable. So if you're like that, then you can use prop firms just for access to bigger capital. And if you are still struggling to be a profitable crypto trader, I would advise that you get my complete crypto trading course for beginners. The link to get the course will also be in the description below. In that course, you will get everything you need to become a profitable trader without the unnecessary things. So again, go ahead, the link will be in the description below. So once again, is crypto prop trading worth it? Simple, yes, but only if you are already a profitable crypto trader. So that is it for this video. That is the complete breakdown of crypto prop firm trading from scratch. Now, if this video has helped you to understand prop firms for the first time, please let me know in the comment section below. Just type it in the comment section below. I'm going going to read all the comments and I'll reply to every single comment under this video. And again, if you want to go deeper into any of these prop firms I've talked about, I've done full reviews and comparisons of the top crypto prop firms right here on this channel. So if you want the links, again, I'll put them in the description below, or just ask me in the comment section below. And if you haven't liked this video, like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.